if f of x is equal to 2x and g of x is equal to x square by 2, f of x equal to 2x, g of x equal to x square by 2 plus 1, then f of x plus g of x is continuous, is a continuous function, and f of x minus g of x is also continuous, and f of x into g of x is continuous. But f of x, g of x by f of x, g of x by f of x is x square by 2 plus 1 divided by 2x is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay. The function f of x is equal to 4 minus x square divided by 4x minus x cube. This function f of x is equal to 4 minus x square divided by 4x minus x cube. Okay. Now this 4x minus denominator 4x minus x cube equal to 0 means x into 4 minus x square equal to 0, that is x into 2 plus x into 2 minus x is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0, 2 and minus 2. Therefore f of x is not continuous, is discontinuous at exactly 3 points. Exactly 3 points. Okay. Next one, the function f of x is equal to cot x. F of x is equal to cot x. Cot x. This cot x is cos x by sin x. Okay. Now sin x is equal to 0. Sin x equal to 0 implies x is equal to n pi, where n is an integer. Therefore the given function is discontinuous at set of all x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Okay. Now fourth one, see, f of x is equal to mx plus 1, x less than or equal to pi by 2, comma x less than or equal to pi by 2. Okay. And sin x plus n, if x greater than pi by 2 is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, then the value of m and n are, see, the function f of x equal to, function is defined by mx plus 1, comma x less than or equal to pi by 2, and sin x plus n, comma x greater than pi by 2. Okay. Now since f of x is continuous, at x is equal to pi by 2, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Okay. That is limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to, right hand limit is limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x. Okay. That is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, when x is less than pi by 2, value of the function is mx plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus, value of the function is sin x plus n. Okay. That is m into pi by 2 plus 1 is equal to sin pi by 2 plus n. Okay, m pi by 2 plus 1 equal to sin pi by 2 is 1 plus n. 1 cancel, so n is equal to m pi by 2. Okay, if the function f of x equal to x square minus 1 by x minus 1 and k, here x not equal to 1, here x is equal to 1, that is a given function, is continuous at x is equal to 1. Since the function is continuous at x is equal to 1, limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to f of 1. Okay, that is limit x tends to 1, function value is x square minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to f of 1 is k. That is limit x tends to 1, which is x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to k. X minus 1 cancel, so when x is equal to 1, 2 is equal to k. Okay, next one, the function is defined by f of x is equal to ax plus ax plus 1 comma x less than or equal to 3 and bx plus 3 x greater than 3. That is the function defined which is continuous at x is equal to 3. So left hand limit, since f of x is continuous at x is equal to 3, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 3. Okay, now left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus f of x, that's equal to limit x tends to 3 minus function value is ax plus 1. Okay, that is equal to 3a plus 1 is the left hand limit. Now right hand limit RHL is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x, that's equal to limit x tends to 3 plus function value is bx plus 3, that is equal to 3b plus 3, that is the right hand limit. Now left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. LHL is equal to RHL, that is 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3 or 3a minus 3b is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 3a minus 3b equal to 2, that is a minus b is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, here the function is f of x is equal to kx plus 1 equal to cos x when x is greater than pi. Since f of x is continuous, at x is equal to pi, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit equal to f of pi. Okay, now left hand limit LHL equal to limit x tends to pi minus f of x, that's equal to limit x tends to pi minus function value is kx plus 1, so that's equal to pi k plus 1. Now right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to pi plus f of x, that's equal to limit x tends to pi plus function value is cos x, so that is equal to cos pi which is minus 1. Now LHL equal to RHL, that is pi k plus 1 equal to minus 1 or pi k equal to minus 1 minus 1, pi k equal to minus 2 or k equal to minus 2 by pi. Okay, Next one, if the function f of x is given by f of x is equal to k into x square plus 2, x less than or equal to 0, and 3x plus 1, x greater than 0, is continuous at x is equal to 0. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 0. Now left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus function value is k into x square plus 2. Now when x is equal to 2, which is equal to 2k, okay. Now right hand limit RHL equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, that's equal to limit x tends to 0 plus function value is 3x plus 1, so that is equal to 3 into 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Now LHL equal to RHL, that is 2k equal to 1 or k equal to 1 by 2. Next one, determine the value of the constant k so that the following function, that is the function f of x equal to defined by x plus 3 the whole square minus 36 divided by x minus 3 comma x not equal to 3 and equal to k and x is equal to 3. Okay. Since f of x is continuous, at x is equal to 3, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of 3. Now left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 3 minus f of x, that's equal to limit x tends to 3 minus function value is x plus 3 the whole square, x plus 3 the whole square. So here the function is given by x plus 3 the whole square minus 36 by x minus 3. So this left hand limit equal to right hand limit is same as limit x tends to 3 f of x. Okay, so which is equal to right hand limit equal to left hand limit, which is same as limit x tends to 3. Okay, so no need to take the left hand and right hand because these two limits are same. X plus 3 the whole square minus 36 divided by x minus 3, that's equal to limit x tends to 3, x plus 3 the whole square minus 6 square by x minus 3 equal to limit x tends to 3, which is x plus 3 plus 6 into x plus 3 minus 6 by x minus 3. So these two terms get cancelled, which is x minus 3 by x minus 3. So when x is equal to 3, which is 3 plus 6, which is equal to 12. Okay. So this limit is equal to, this 12 is equal to f of 3. F of 3 is equal to 12, that is k equal to 12. Next one, determine the value of the constant k so that the function f of x is given by kx by mod x, comma x less than 0 and equal to 3 x greater than or equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 3. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit equal to f of 0. Okay. Now left hand limit equal to LHL equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus kx divided by mod x. Now when x is less than 0, mod x is equal to minus x, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus kx divided by mod x is minus x, so which is equal to minus k. Left hand limit is minus k. So minus k is equal to 3. Minus k equal to value of the function at x is equal to 0 is 3. It is minus k equal to 3, k equal to minus 3. Next one, if the function is continuous at x is equal to 0, f of x equal to sine of 3x by 2 comma x not equal to 0 and 3x by 2 divided by x and equal to k comma x equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 2. Sorry, is continuous at x is equal to 0. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. That is limit x tends to 0, function value is sine of 3x by 2 divided by x is equal to f of 0 is equal to k. So that is equal to, that is limit x tends to 0, sine of 3x by 2 divided by, we multiply and dividing by a 3 by 2 in the numerator and denominator, 3 by 2 equal to k. So this limit is equal to sine, limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is 1. So 1 into 3 by 2 equal to k, or k equal to 3 by 2, k equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Next one, find the value of k for which the function f of x equal to function is defined by x square plus 3x minus 10 by x minus 2 comma x not equal to 2 and equal to k, x equal to 2. Okay. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2, limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. That is limit x tends to 2, function value is x square plus 3x minus 10 by x minus 2 equal to f of 2 is equal to k. Okay, that's equal, that is limit x tends to 2, which is x plus 5 into x minus 2 by x minus 2 equal to k. So x minus 2 get cancelled when x is equal to 2, 2 plus 5 equal to k, k equal to 7. Okay. Next one, find the value of p so that the function f of x equal to 1 minus cos 4x by x square comma x not equal to 0 and equal to p, x equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. That is limit x tends to 0, f of x is 1 minus cos 4x, 1 minus cos 4x divided by x square equal to f of 0 is equal to p. That is p is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 4x is 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. So 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sin square 2x. 2 sin square 2x by x square. Okay, that's equal to, you can take 2 as a common constant. So 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin 2x into sin 2x. The sin square 2x is split into sin 2x into sin 2x by x by x. X square is split into denominator x. Here the denominator is x. So we multiply the numerator and denominator. Here the numerator and denominator is multiplied by 2. Also here the numerator and denominator is multiplied by 2. So value of this limit is equal to 1. Here also value of the limit is equal to 1. So it is equal to 2 into, here 2 into 2. Now limit x tends to 0, sin 2x by 2x is 1. Next limit is also 1. So that is equal to 8. So p is equal to 8. Next one. Find the value of k so that the function f of x is equal to sin x minus cos x by 4x minus pi. 4x minus pi, comma x not equal to pi by 4 and equal to k, comma x equal to pi by 4 is continuous at x is equal to pi by 4. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to pi by 4, limit x tends to pi by 4, f of x is equal to f of pi by 4. Okay, that is limit x tends to pi by 4. Function value is sin x minus cos x by 4x minus pi is equal to f of pi by 4 is equal to k. So that is k is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. The sin x minus cos x. For the sin x minus cos x, dividing the numerator and denominator, multiplying the numerator and denominator of the sin x minus cos x can be written as root 2 into sin x into 1 by root 2 minus cos x into 1 by root 2. Okay, by 4x minus pi. That's equal to limit x tends to pi by 4 root 2 into, which is sin x into cos pi by 4. Sin x into this 1 by root 2 is cos pi by 4 minus cos x into this 1 by root 2 can be written as sin pi by 4. Okay, by 4x minus pi. So root 2 can be taken outside. Root 2 into limit x tends to pi by 4, which is sin of x minus pi by 4. Sin x cos pi by 4 minus cos x sin pi by 4 divided by, here 4 can be taken outside, x minus pi by 4. So here denominator there is a 4, so can be taken outside, root 2 by 4 into limit x tends to pi by 4, sin of x minus pi by 4 divided by x minus pi by 4, that is root 2 by 4 into 1. So k is equal to root 2 by 4. Next one, find the value of p and q for which function 1 minus sin cube x by 3 cos square x, x less than pi by 2 and equal to pi by 2, the value of the function is p, q into 1 minus sin x by pi minus 2x the whole square, x greater than pi by 2 is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of pi by 2. Okay. Now left hand limit equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus function value is 1 minus sine cube x by 3 cos square x. Okay, that's equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, this one is 1 cube minus sine cube x, a cube minus b cube is a minus b into 1 minus sine x into a square plus ab plus b square, okay, divided by 3 into 1 cos square x is 1 minus sine square x, okay, that is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus 1 minus sine x into 1 plus sine x plus sine square x divided by 3 into, here it is 1 minus sine x into 1 plus sine x. So 1 minus sine x get cancelled. Okay, so that's equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus 1 plus sine x plus sine square x by 3 into 1 plus sine x. Okay, so when x is equal to pi by 2, which is 1 plus sine pi by 2 plus sine square pi by 2 by 3 into 1 plus sine pi by 2. Sine 90 is 1. So 1 plus 1 square by 3 into 1 plus 1. So 3 by 3 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So left hand limit is equal to 1 by 2. Now RHL equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus function value is q into 1 minus sine x by pi minus 2x the whole square. Okay. Now put pi minus 2x. Put pi minus 2x is y. Okay. So when x tends to pi by 2, when x is here, put x is equal to pi by 2, y is tends to 0. Okay. Now x is pi minus y equal to 2x or pi by 2 minus y by 2 equal to x. So x can be replaced by pi by 2 minus y by 2. So the right hand limit is equal to limit y tends to 0 q into 1 minus sine of x is pi by 2 minus y by 2. Pi by 2 minus y by 2 divided by pi minus 2x is y square. Okay. So RHL right hand limit is equal to limit y tends to 0 q into 1 minus sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So 1 minus cos y by 2 divided by y square. So q is a constant, can be taken outside. Limit y tends to 0. 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2. That is y by 2 by 2. Y by 4 by y square. So 2q into limit y tends to 0. The sine square y by 4 is sine y by 4. This y square here, first y, then again sine y by 4 by y. So the product is sine square y by 4, denominator product is y square. Now we multiplying and dividing the numerator and denominator here by 4, also here by 4. Okay, so this limit sin y by 4 divided by y by 4, this limit become 1. Also this limit is equal to 1. So here 2q divided by 4 into 4 16 into 1 into 1, that is q by 8, that is the right hand limit. So left hand limit, since the function is continuous, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to value of the function at the point pi by 2. Now left hand limit is 1 by 2, right hand limit is q by 8, which is equal to value of the function at the point pi by 2 is given as p. Okay, value of the function at the point pi by 2 is p. So p is equal to 1 by 2. P is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to, q is 8 into 2, that is 4. 8 into 1 by 2, q is equal to 4. Okay.